My name is Dr. Kunti Nagvekar, and my topic for today is I care for you. Both ways it is true. I care for you and I care for you. I think not 98, maybe 100% people would be wearing glasses, okay? So those 2% people might have done some exercises or have probably used their eyes correctly. Second research point which they came to was that by the age of 10 or 12, today, like it is in the 4th or the 5th standard class, about 25 to 30% of the children are wearing glasses. Correct? People who are of my age. Eating habits, very important. Okay? So today, there is tremendous pressure over the eyes. More than never before. Everyone is, fighting for your eyeball time. The internet, the games, the SMSing, everything is really fighting for your eyeball time. Also, to add to it is the pollution. The pollution is really taking the toll. Correct? Now, why is it that we are not able to find a solution to this? Is there no solution? Can we not find a solution to this? There is a solution, but there is an outdated idea that once you have an eye problem, it cannot be cured. There is nothing that can be done about it. Okay, it's an outdated idea. If we go back to the research once again, by the age of 60, only 40% people will have tooth problems, right? When a toddler, he gets his first tooth, the mother goes and she buys a small toothbrush and she starts teaching him how to brush teeth, how to take care of his teeth, tells him not to eat chocolates, etc., etc. But she doesn't tell him anything about eyes. Correct? What do you do about your eyes? How do you take care of your eyes? She doesn't tell him anything because she herself doesn't know about it. Correct? So in the last 25 years, we have seen a lot of, information about physical fitness, aerobics, yoga, diet. There's so much of information about it, but there's no information about eyes. Okay? This is really, really, funny because there are very simple things by which you can take care of your eyes, simple methods, and this whole thing has been devised by an eye specialist, okay? And his name was Dr. W.H. Bates, and he has written a book called Better Eyesight Without Glasses. It is a bestseller. You can, buy that book, or I think it must be on the internet also. It's called Better Eyesight Without Glasses. And this individual, he was an ophthalmologist, and he researched for 38 years on 30,000 animal and human eyes. And then he came to certain conclusions, okay, which are really amazing. And he has found exercises for each and every part of your eye. Okay, there is exercise for the cornea, there is exercise for the pupil, the lens inside, for everything. Now when you do physical exercises, you want to exercise the arm, you just move your arm. Whereas the eye exercises are indirect. So the exercises are very play way, they are very indirect. For example, we'll have a ball exercise, okay? For the lens which is inside, we have a ball exercise. So you just hold a ball in the hand, you throw it in the air, you hold it with the other hand, and you blink when the ball comes into your hand. Now, this is a very simple exercise, but it is doing a lot. It is working on various parts of your eye. Correct? So it's working on the lens, it is working on the entire eyeball shape, it's working on the cornea, on everything. Right? So like that, there are various exercises. Even the sun treatment. Okay? Now, sun treatment is an exercise where it has to be done very carefully. Okay? And it is required by everyone who works with the computers. Now, what is this sun treatment? You have to stand in front of the sun with closed eyes and move yourself from right to left and left to right. Now, again, this looks like a very, very simple exercise, but it is really doing a lot of good. Okay? Now, what is it doing? It is actually massaging the cornea, though your eyelids are closed. Okay? It is working with the lens, It's working with the pupil. You know, when there is more light, the pupil closes. When there is less light, the pupil opens. Correct? So when you're away from the sun, you're moving this side, the pupil has opened. When you come here, it has closed. When you move here, again it has opened.